Hey, hello everyone. This is Souradeep from Academia, and today we will try our hands on some easy problems from mixture. So, without any further ado, let's start. So, this will mostly be like the standard classical problems. So, the first problem says a container contains 60 liters of mixture. It has wine and water in the ratio of 7 is to 3. Now 20 liters of this mixture is taken out and replaced with water. Now we have to find what is the new ratio of wine to water. Now in the 60 liters we have water and wine, and it's in the ratio of 7 to 3. So wine will be 7 by 10 and water will be 3 by 10. Okay, so we can say that the how much water is the wine is there, so it will be 7 by 10 into 60, or it will be 42 liters. Okay, and how much water is there, so it will be 60 minus 42, or 18 liter will be water, and this will be wine. Now it says 20 liter of the mixture has been taken out. So among the 20 liter, again 7 by 10 will be wine, and 3 by 10 part will be water. So it will be 20 into 7 by 10, it will be 14 liters of wine. So 20 minus 14, 6 liter will be water. Now subtracting 14 from 42, it will be 28 liter of water of wine in the current mixture. And now water content will be 18 minus 6, but this problem says we are replacing the 20 liter of mixture taken out with 20 liters of water. Now it will be 18 minus 6 plus 20, or it will be 12 plus 20, it will be 32 liters of water. So therefore the current ratio of wine to water, this will be 28 is to 32, or it will be 7 to 8. Okay, so this is water, wine is to water. Okay, so let's see what the next problem says. It says 40 liter of milk and water contains 10% of water, and it how much water must be added to make the water percentage as 20. Now 10% water means 90% of the mixture will be milk, so milk is to water. For the first case will be 9 is to 1. Now we have to make this ratio of milk to water. In the new mixture 20% is water, so milk is to water. If 20% is water, then 80% will be milk, so 20 by 80 by 20, it will be 4 is to 1. So this is there, and we have to make it this one. Okay, so 40 liters of milk. The mixture is there, among that 10% is water, so it will be 40 into 1 by 10, 4 liter will be water. Therefore 36 liter will be milk. Okay, now what we can do is, let's say let x liter water be added. Okay, now x liter has been added to make 9:1, 4:1. Now we can say that 4 plus x by 36 is actually 1 by 4. Okay, from here it's a very simple equation to solve. We can simplify 4 and 36 here, and 4 plus x will be 9, or x will be 5 liters. 5 liter of water has to be added in that mixture. Okay, so the next problem says two alloys made of copper and zinc are in the ratio 5:3 and 2:3. Now we have to find the ratio in which these alloys shall be mixed together, and the new alloy of copper and zinc will be of the ratio 3:2. Now let's say alloy A is to alloy B is in the ratio x:y in the final mixture. We can say this. Okay, so we have to find what is the quantity of copper and zinc in each. So from the problem we can say that 5x by 8 is copper. First alloy A is 5x plus 8, okay, is copper, and zinc is 3x by 8. In B, copper is 2y by 5, zinc is 3y by 5. Okay, now we can say that 5x, we will take this 2 and this 2 and put it in ratio. 5x plus 2y, this is the total copper, by total zinc, 3x by 8 plus 3y by 5 is equal to 3:2. Okay, now we can simplify this. It will be both the LCMs will be 40. In the first case it will be 25x plus 16y. Here it will be 15x plus 24y. It will be 3:2. We can simplify more. Now it will be 2 into 25x plus 16y. It will be 3 into 15x plus 24y, or we can write it 50x plus 16y plus it will be 32y is equal to 45x plus 72y, or from here we can write 5x is equal to 40y, or x by y will be 8 by 1, or x is to y, the alloy shall be mixed at 8:1 ratio. Okay, so let's move on to the next problem. It says a vessel contains 54 liters of pure milk. Now every day 9 liters is removed and replaced with water. After 3 days, how much milk is left? Now we can do it with traditional method. Let's say 54 initially was there. On the first day we can remove 9 liter of milk, and it will be 45 liters of milk and 9 liter of water, and then we can continue this process again. But we have a very easy solution for this. Like it is one of the key formulas to find what is the amount remaining in a mixture. So the formula is, like, you have to memorize this formula. It is V into 1 minus x by V into to the power n. Okay, so you have to memorize this. So V is the total volume, this is also the initial volume. One second. Yeah, this is the initial volume. X volume taken out and replaced. Okay, and n is number of transactions. Okay, so here V is 54, n is 3, and x is 9. Okay, so we will just put the values here and it will be very easy. V is 54, 1, x is 9, 54 again. Okay, my pardon please, it will be 54, 9 by 54 again, n is 3, we can simplify this, it will be 1 by 6, or 54, 5 by 6 to the power 3, or it will be 54 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6. So we can simplify furthermore. 9 we can 3 into 3, it will be 2 into 2. Okay, so it will be 125 by 4. We can do the rough work here. It's actually very easy division. 12, 5, will be 1, it will be 31.25 liters. So this was all for it. All the best, and we will see you soon with the next part.